Welcome to Tiny Calm Learners. Today, we're learning numbers from 1 to 10. Are you ready? Let's start. This is number 1. Look, one red balloon. Count with me. 1. One balloon. This is number 2. Here come 2 yellow stars. Let's count. 1, 2. 2 stars. This is number 3. Look at 3 apples. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. 3 apples. This is number 4. Here are 4 cute fish. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fish. This is number 5. Look, 5 colorful cars. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cars. This is number 6. Here come 6 bouncing dolls. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balls. This is number 7. Look at 7 cute bees. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bees. This is number 8. Here come 8 happy cupcakes. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cupcakes. This is number 9. Look at 9 cute butterflies. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 butterflies. This is number 10. Wow! 10 elephants. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 elephants. Great job! You learned numbers from 1 to 10. See you in the next fun learning video.